Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to upgrade OPay account. To upgrade your OPay account, you typically need to complete your Know Your Customer verification process. That's KYC. This process is essential for assessing higher transaction limits and unlocking additional features within the app. So how do you upgrade? Open the OPay app. Launch the OPay application in your device. Now navigate to your profile settings by tapping on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to assess your account settings. So once you're here, you have full name, you have mobile number, you have nickname, gender, date of birth, email address. Just go ahead and click on top tier and see your tier. You can see that I'm in tier 2. So go ahead and click on upgrade. Now once you click on upgrade, it's going to take you here. In here, you have all of this information. Now select upgrade to tier 3. That's the next tier. You select upgrade to tier 3. It takes you here. Now, in this window, you have to provide required documents, your proof of address. And then once you enter your proof of address, the next one is to upload your proof of address and select next. Now, you may also be asked to enter a government issued ID. That's if you've not already added that. And a selfie for facial verification. After submitting your documents, the OPay team will review them. Approval times can vary, but you'll be notified once your account has been successfully upgraded. Make sure that all documents are clear and legible to avoid delays. Only show me documents that are valid and not expired. Ensure that the information on your documents matches the details in your OPay account, and regularly check your email or the OPay app for updates on your verification status. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.